Y'all see that? We doing a lock update, okay? Now, y'all see the ground. Y'all see the ground. Listen, let me just go ahead and let you see it. And how about, it's been 6 months since I last retwisted, so it's been half a year. I'm in a place now where I retwist twice a year. And my roots, oh, they love it. They love it. I'm just giving you an opportunity to look at the crown, baby. What? What are some things that I've done to change with regards to my maintenance routine? Pretty much retwisting twice a year. You know, going from retwisting every 3 months to retwisting twice a year. We still moisturize, we still steam. We wash our locks every 3 weeks. She gets washed. And pretty much I am due for a detox though. We're gonna do that and we're gonna do a retwist for the holidays. And then the next one will be roughly around May, June. Because then we'll go another 6 months. Still doing less, and less has been best, which is why you haven't seen me on here with a lock update. But I'm loving my locks. I'm loving the liberty. And it wouldn't be so freeing if I was continuing to retwist every 3 months, which is why I switched it, because it's a lot of work. I mean, it's not a lot of work if I go pay somebody to do it, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. It takes time. And I'm going to take my locks down and let you guys see how long they are. Pretty much I am almost waist length. Be close to waist length. I love small YouTubers. I love branding. I love business as it relates to digital marketing. So we got a whole lot of good stuff in that area as well. But the main focus and the main theme here, because I started this lookbook to follow my journey, is these babies. It's these babies right here. So let's go ahead and take them down, let you guys see what they look like. You're going to see a whole lot of root because, so first of all, get with it. Because it ain't been retwisted. It has not been retwisted. But guess what? It's very moisturized. It's very clean. It smells good. Y'all see all that root and all that gray? Oh my gosh. Like, that's another thing I want to share with you guys. So I did, who been following me from the beginning? Who been with me on this journey from the beginning? Who? I mean, look, we are contemplating. Matter of fact, nope. My birthday next month. We're coloring these locks, but we're gonna do it in a very safe way. I'm just gonna get a rinse and developer. That's it. See if we can cover up some of these grays. But you guys see the roots? I have massive new growth. Massive. They're so moisturized. I still got my parts. So it's no semi free forming going on, but it's been 6 months since I retwisted them. And like I said, I moisturize them 3 times a week still. Same stuff. Rose water, vitamin E, EVOO. Learned that coconut oil dries my locks out, so I don't use coconut oil in my locks. But Jamaican black castor, just a little bit. And we steam these babies 2 to 3 times a month. They are extremely moisturized. I have normal porosity locks, 4C. People don't talk about that, but I was a 4C loose natural, so of course my locks are 4C. And very, very soft. And I'm pretty much been thinking about trimming them. You know, the ends. I still have my 2-strand twist on here. This is what I started with. Boom. Go check out those older videos. This is what I started with right here. This is where we are. And it's a lot of gray mixed up in there, guys. So don't think my locks is, unkempt, because they're not. These bad boys are clean and moisturized. So I just want to answer some of these questions. One of them is, are my locks heavy? No, they are not heavy to me. They might be heavy to you, right? If you have a certain length of hair and all of a sudden you got all this extra hair, you ladies know when you're doing the crochets and stuff like that, that's heavy because that hair did not grow out of your scalp. So if something is growing out of your scalp, you kind of get accustomed to it. It's almost like lifting weights. If you start with 5-pound weights, you're going to be able to get to the 10-pound weights, and then the 20-pound weights, or 15-pound weights, 30-pound weights. So pretty much, because they grew up out of my head, my neck, my shoulders, my back, all of that. It's pretty much gotten used to being able to carry these. And so, no, it's not heavy at all. Another question I wanted to answer is, do I got Sisterlocks? No, I do not have Sisterlocks. They look a little Sisterlockish because I have your regular size locks. People ask me because of the way that they look. But no, I have regular size locks. But some people will look and be like, sis, you got, those look like Sisterlocks. It's not. I don't know how many locks I have. Somebody asked me that because throughout the years, I started off with pretty much 126 locks, but I've been doing some combining throughout the years. I have not recounted them, so I have no idea how many locks I have, but somebody did ask me that. Somebody else asked did I have a lock crush. I had a couple of lock crushes, and I found out, again, shared it before, your locks are going to come out tailored to your hair texture. It's going to come out tailored to you. So you can look at somebody's locks and love on them and be like, oh, I want my locks to look just like this. But ultimately, they're going to come out according to what your hair texture is. And I hope that helps. I got quite a few questions on styling, but guys, pretty much is this, or that bun I came on here with, or the bun. I haven't really had any lock styles. I did have a updo bun style put in, but I didn't keep that up long. I don't like tension on my edges. Really, I don't like tension on my edges. And it might look like I ain't got no hair here, but that's just how my hairline is, y'all. So I definitely got hair here. So I don't like putting that type of tension on my edges. So I have not really had a pullback style since growing my locks. I would love to have one, but I'm not going to pay for it because I know in a couple days I'm going to be taking it out. But I do have some pipe cleaners. One of my favorite periods on this journey was when my locks was pretty much like this length. So I want to do the pipe cleaners so that I can have the illusion of having this length again, and then also have a really cool style once I take them out. I do use my crochet needle for a couple of my locks on top that the hair grows out of the lock. So let me see if I can find one for you guys. I think I probably tightened them all up, but this is my update. I am 7 years locked. I do my own lock maintenance. I like to plug that into the lock update videos for my DIY lock stars. And those of you guys who are manning your own lock maintenance, to let you know we out here. And we growing them, baby, and they healthy. How long have you been growing your locks? Are you manning them yourselves? Where are you in your journey? Starter lock phase, teenager, or are you fully mature? So that's it, guys. Thanks for tapping into my lock update. We are still glowing, and we are still growing, and we're still learning the lesson. I didn't just grow locks, I grew. And there's lessons in every phase and stage of this journey. And there are things that your locks will teach you. Tap in if you're a starter lockhead, if you're on a lock journey, or if you just want to get connected. Ciao. See you guys in the next video.